next category is very stable, Foundation Repair, and the winners of distinction are
Baird Foundation Repair, Durapeer Foundation Repair, Groundworks, Leveled Concrete, Star Tech Foundation Repair. The pinnacle winner is
Olshan. Accepting the award is Shannon Gibbs and Renee Lepley.
You know, many homeowners struggle with stability and integrity. Yes, we do. In their home's foundation, Olshan Foundation is here to help. Olshan offers expert repair, maintenance, and monitoring services to ensure their customers' homes remain safe and secure.
All right, that completes those set of category winners. But for the very first time in BBB Awards of Excellence history, we now have an overall winner. That means the best of the best of the best.
Ladies and gentlemen, would you please welcome to the stage the presenter of the overall winner trophy, Dan Parsons, Better Business Bureau Houston President, Alvin G., BBB Board Chair, Joe Emmett, BBB Education Foundation Chair, Jennifer Salazar, BBB Education Foundation Executive Director.
All right, the winner of the BBB Awards for Excellence history is, if you have an A in your business name, stand up. If your business has an A in it, just stand up for us. Stand up, come on now. Stand up if your business has an A in the name, okay? If your business has an L in the name anywhere, remain standing. Did we lose some people? Oh, we lost, okay, all right. One more. If your business name has an O in it, remain standing if it has an O anywhere in it. All right, the winner of your 2025 first ever BBB Awards for Excellence overall is Olshan Foundation Solutions. Accepting the award is Shannon Gibbs and Renee Lepley.
And Deborah, I believe that Jennifer and Joe have a few words to say as it relates to this beautiful award. Are you guys up there? Would you like to say something as well? Come on over to the microphone.
So not only are they the overall winner for the first time in our history, how many of you all read the Houston Chronicle? And Houston Chronicle, stand up and wave. Olshan, you will be in the Houston Chronicle half-page ad from the BBB to you, as you can see, on Sunday in the business section. And I hope you brought a truck because these beautiful flowers right here are from Flowers by Nino.
Thank you.